Hello everyone from the near the House of the Mouse, coming at you from the Wyndham Grand Hotel here at Lake Buena Vista. Sitting here at the deep blue uh, libation bar for our dinner. I want to give you guys a quick view of what's here at this resort. Or this hotel. This hotel is actually attached to our Wyndham Timeshare Resort, which is within walking distance here, a couple minutes. So we found this restaurant by luck on Monday. Here we are on Thursday, or actually on Friday, and I want to get back down here and check out this restaurant because they have sushi, which they did not have when we came in Monday night, but they got it now. So we are going to get some sushi tonight and partake of a couple of libations. So here we are. This is actually the name of the bar is 1521. It's part of the Wyndham Grand Hotel here in Lake Buena Vista, here in Florida. And the prices aren't too bad considering it's a hotel. Looking at the sushi right here for tonight. California rolls, spicy tuna, swamp nugget. Yeah, it's pretty loud here. Apologize for the background noise. So there are the sushis and the prices of the sushis. They're about what I would typically say would be about $8 more here than you would see at like a regular sushi restaurant, I guess. That's what we're going to do tonight. But when we came down here Monday, that deep blue restaurant there behind me was closed on Monday. So we hung out here at the bar instead, which they have a menu as well, same food. But when we did our food on Monday, actually did a really good dish called the blue crab mac and cheese. Really good flavor. Everything was really smooth. The Gouda and the Munster blend was awesome. I could eat that stuff all day long, and she did as well. And then we also had, well, I had for my dinner that Monday night, I had the lobster ravioli that evening, and it was really, really good. Blended good, really good. The sauce blended well together, and had leftovers that night, and I did not let that go to waste. Yeah, price is a little high there. I would say about, I don't know, about $20, maybe $15, a little bit higher than you would get at a typical restaurant, seafood restaurant. But you're at a hotel, so that's the type of price that you're going to be paying for at a hotel restaurant. That's just how it is. But that's what we had Monday night. Had the ravioli, and she had that crab mac and cheese. And of course, we had some libations. She had this guy right here, this lavender haze, real smooth. In fact, that's what she's having tonight as well. Just one or two. That's all we need. And then I'm having a Woodford and Coke. That's my go-to. It's Woodford and Coke. So that is what we are going to do this evening. Partake of our dinner here at the Bar 1521 here at the Wyndham Grand here in Lake Buena Vista, Bonnet Creek Resort. Have a wonderful day. See you on the next video.